as y'all can see, we ain't been in here in a minute to work on something, but in today's video and probably another video, we are going to be prepping the IS300 for wrap. As y'all see, the color is a little bit clapped. Well, let's just say, I mean, it's not terrible. It's pretty bad. It's just mismatched fender I painted. The clear coat's pretty gone. For the most part, pretty excited. So I'm just happy to get the car looking a lot better than what it does right now. So we're just gonna start prepping it, which is making sure the surface is smooth. I'm gonna wet sand it. We're gonna take care of these rock chips and whatnot. We're just gonna get started. So yeah, usually when you are gonna prep a car for wrap, you want to make sure that the surface is smooth, any body work is done, that you know, because the thing with wrap is that once you wrap over the panel, any imperfection underneath, you're gonna see it. So it doesn't have to be super perfect. In my case, I really don't care if it is perfect or not. Just to be better, it'll be a lot better than what it is right now. So we need to get started already. We're just lagging. I'm gonna get started on sanding the imperfections. We're gonna wet sand the whole thing, and hopefully, yeah, we get to wrap it soon. So let's get it. Also, one more thing. I'm curious, what color do you guys think we are wrapping the IS300? Let me know down in the comments. I'd like to hear your guys' guesses. It's funny because it's not the color I originally wanted to do. So what do you guys think it is? But yeah, let's get it. And what I got in the crib, I'm gonna hit it with some 400 and then eventually go probably 800 skip. It's not that serious. As long as the surface is smooth and you don't feel it with your fingertips, you won't see it through the wrap. That's just with my experience on the Civic. We did it the exact same way, so hopefully we get the same results. 400, let's get it. Alright, so realistically, I think I actually underestimated the amount of work the IS300 need as body work, or overestimated it, my bad, because it doesn't need that much. Realistically it doesn't need that much. It's just the color's all faded and it's ugly, but I definitely did sand the front. I'm gonna just throw some primer on the front, that way I can cover some of the rock chips. Bumper has some imperfections there, but I'm obviously gonna still go around through the whole car and wet sand it. It's just an easier thing to do. And the bumper has some clear coat damage, but nothing crazy. I'm also gonna be removing the stock wing. Me personally, I'm not really a big fan, so I'm gonna remove it and cover the holes. And I was low-key thinking if I should low-key delete the antenna. I'm not sure about that one yet. Since the car is kind of black gray, I'm probably gonna do the roof last just because, and just probably leave it that color or whatever. I think it'll look cool with the contrast, but for the most part, the car isn't terrible. Like, it has sun fade, but it's not like, it's just faded. It doesn't have like clear coat chipping, so that's a good thing. So even though we just washed it, my cousin has this rubber wheel, so I went ahead and took off all the rubber trim off the sides and the emblems, and so we're hitting it with this rubber wheel. That way it makes our job a lot easier, bro. If you've ever used one of these, bro, game changer. So yeah, we got all the side trims off.
Just a couple. Yeah,
Rear emblems deleted as well, because obviously I'm gonna wrap over them. If I want to put them back on, I'll put them on over. So yeah, we're gonna continue with this, make sure it's all good. Went ahead and got all that adhesive off. Now I'm gonna remove the stock wing. In my opinion, it looks a lot better without it, so we're gonna remove it and cover the holes, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Yeah.
Oh, I was like, what?
I was in the middle of I'm filming a YouTube video right now, so I was like, I'll just add this shit in there.
Want to go for a spin?
I'm with it. Shit, we just put on a homie Edwin. Came to swap a size, and now we're about to get a ride along in a Type R. Yeah, that's my first time being in one of these. I've ridden in the older one, FK, but this seems a lot different.
The interior is way better than like it shits on the old one. The interior.
It tells you when to shift, huh?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick.
I be spinning first and second.
Yeah, that shit's dope, bro. It has like different modes or what?
Yeah. Sports and the Type R mode. Right now I'm on Type R.
Car feels like this, crazy. I think it's just cause I'm used to buckets. Nah, probably. Dude, it sounds hella good.
Yeah,
and this is stock intake too?
Yeah, stock.
Yeah, damn. You can hella hear it. I think it's that's that VTEC, huh? Yeah, that's that VTEC.
Well,
Sheesh. I'm sure I'll go follow my boy right here and put his at. It's just sick. I don't know where we left off in the last clip, but right now we're on our way to pick up some IS300 side skirts that we found on Marketplace for a very good deal. Hopefully bro's car is there so I can show you all it because it's pretty clean. Shit, what? Shout out, bro, for the side skirts. You know, tap in. What's your IG, bro?
IG is 2j.trey.
Hell yeah.
And fuck with Clear Culture.
Yeah.
You know, boys out in Cali doing it up big time.
Y'all make sure y'all go follow. Alright, so as y'all seen, I met up with the homie Trey and we picked up some side skirts for the IS300 build. I have a big ass announcement in the next coming videos, bro. You guys stay tuned. IS300 is gonna get a whole makeover, bro. And it's all thanks to basically you guys, honestly. Appreciate you guys supporting the brand, bro. Appreciate you guys supporting me. Like, subscribe, all that, bro. I can't wait to get this first YouTube check. It ain't gonna be much, but shit, getting paid off this shit's pretty fucking dope. And bro, you guys went crazy on the drop, bro. I got a couple tees still left. Link will be down below. If you guys are interested, I'm on my way to go ship out some orders as we speak. As per usual, bro, finna ship these out real quick, and then I'll meet y'all back in the garage. Like I said, much love to all you guys watching, bro. Let's keep running it up. All right, so this video's been all over the motherfucking place. We just teleported to the motherfucking garage. We back. We are about to pull up to another homie's house. So as y'all see, we got the hood exit for the Civic. We will no longer be running that shit because I don't want to cut my hood because I don't have enough fucking wrap to redo my hood. So what we gonna do, we gonna chop it, we gonna have the homie re-weld it, and yeah, he gonna come in clutch. Alright, so y'all know, precise cuts. Nice, man, we got it cut. I'm gonna mark it up so he knows what angle I want for the second fucking time. Eventually, I'm gonna run full exhaust. We'll go to an actual muffler shop. That way they can, you know, fab up just the end of my downpipe so it can connect to my exhaust. That way I can throw the blast pipes on or whatever I want. But for now, open dump straight to the floor. I'm on the way to the homies. I peeped this. That shit hard. Oh, he didn't see me. Damn. Rip. All right, so we're back in the garage with it. It's a good morning. It's a good morning, bro. I low-key just woke up, brushed my teeth, and we're gonna get into it because yeah, anything now, wrap should be here. So yeah, we just gonna get started. I'm actually gonna show you guys the side skirts I scooped up off the homie that I showed y'all. So let me grab those real quick. So here they are. They are the TRD style skirts. They are wrapped red, but I'm gonna peel that off obviously. But I'm super hyped to have skirts on this car. As y'all know, I already got the rear lip. I just gotta get a front lip. Still debating which style, but looks pretty freaking sick with the skirts in my opinion, because definitely needed it. Side look very naked. Hold on, let me zoom out real quick. Looks pretty, like the skirts definitely makes a big change, because skirts, I need a kit before we're ready to wrap this thing. So yeah, we got the skirts and we got the rear lip, the same rear lip I'm running on my Civic. You guys always ask me what lip that is. That's IS300 lip on the Civic, and then we're gonna get a front lip. So yeah, we got the skirts, but now I'm gonna do some body work. I'm gonna do some body work on the hood. We got a bunch of raw chips and whatnot. I was low-key rushing it because I was originally already had the wrap for this car, but like I said, special announcement coming in the next video or the other one. But yeah, we're gonna go crazy on this. But I got some like spot putty Bondo that I'm gonna put on these little holes and shit, and then sign them smooth that way, and then some other shit. But let's just get started on some minor body work that way. Glazing spot putty is mainly for like small holes, small imperfections. It's not like the actual, I have the actual body filler, but I wanted to try this out. Just gonna use I have a vinyl scraper, put some tape at the end, that way I could reuse this obviously, and so it doesn't ruin it. But yeah, we're just gonna add this to the pinholes on the hood, that way we can get this thing ready for wrap. Let's get it. so dude, this red stuff is like staining my hands, but as y'all see, the whole point of adding that spot putty was to fill in these little small imperfections from rock chips over the years. And I'm also going to be repairing the bumper a little bit right there. So yeah, we got all that sanded down. Obviously it looks like a mess. Bodywork is always a mess, but that stuff is really easy to sand. Other than like, it's really easy to sand, unlike this. I mean, this is still easy to sand, but it's not as easy. It requires a lot more elbow grease, since this is a lot for lighter stuff. So it literally served its purpose. As y'all can see, all those chips are all filled in, so it'll, you know, did its job. So now I'm gonna just go over the car and just minor imperfections like chips in the paint here and here. I will be wet sanding the whole car again. I already did once, but I didn't do it with the proper grit. So I'm gonna just go over the car, any little imperfection, little things. I'm gonna add a little bit of that putty, sand it down, that way it fills it in, and that way we're getting closer to having the car prepared. Like I said, I have a big announcement, so in the coming videos, make sure you guys tune in. Just with a little piece of sandpaper marking is so I know any little imperfections. That way I can go ahead and sand them down a little bit further, clean them. That way the Bondo has a little bit better surface to bond to. And mostly on this side, it's a little bit worse. But honestly, the bodywork isn't that major. The Civic was a little bit more tedious, most definitely. But if you guys tuned in since those videos, I definitely appreciate you guys. You guys are shit. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand these further, clean them up, and then once I'm got them clean, just like that, got all the little imperfections or whatever marked up. I know I missed probably a lot of them or a couple of them, whatever, but we're not looking for perfect, we're just looking for better. So yeah, they look like little freaking pimples basically, but gonna let them dry for a couple minutes and then sand them down. I'm trying to knock out as much as possible because like I said, got a big announcement on how I'm gonna tell you that because I'm hyped as fuck, bro. That means we're growing and we getting better, bro. I appreciate everyone watching, bro. You guys are real as fuck. I don't give a fuck how many subs we got, how many likes we got, all that shit, it don't matter to me. If you watching right now, bro, I appreciate you, no cap. Even though like this content shit is a little bit oversaturated in this era, bro, I honestly do this shit for myself and, you know, for you guys watching as well. But honestly, I like to rewatch my own videos. I find myself rewatching my videos all the time because life moves super fast, time flies, bro. It's like Civic already boosted, bro. It feels like, I mean, like it just, time flies, bro. That whole process was like a couple months or whatever, but it feels like it was just yesterday, and I'm getting started on another fucking project. So it's just crazy how time flies, bro. And on making these videos, I can reflect, you know, and I'll show my improvement, you know, once we, you know, driving better cars and whatnot. But for now, we gonna do what we got. So I know a lot of you guys can relate to that type of shit. You know, I don't got a lot of money. A lot of y'all motherfuckers probably, you know, in the same boat, but we doing what we can, what we got. We on a budget, bro, but we still gonna build some dope ass cars, even though, you know, the funds ain't, you know, necessarily there. That's what this shit's about. This shit's about having fun, expressing ourselves, and, you know. Alright, this is where the video is going to end up off. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys tune into my website right here. Go cop a tee. Helps to build a lot. Got the Lexus, bro. We've gotten a lot done to it. It looks, yeah, it's in a state, bro. It's a process, though. One of my favorite parts about this shit is the process. So, hope you guys, you know, continue tuning in. Go cop a motherfucking tee.